Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create SEO titles and meta descriptions using AI for your website in OfficeIQ Studio. So, this is the website I have created with OfficeIQ Studio. To get started, go to the editor. On the left side, click on SEO settings. Here you will see the SEO title. You can write the SEO title yourself or just click on create AI text. AI will generate 3 suggestions for you. If you don't like any, just click on refine suggestions to get more options. Select the one you like. Similarly, for the meta description, click on create AI text. Again, you will get 3 versions. I like this one, so I will select it. Here, you can also manage the slug and choose the page hierarchy. Now, let's write the SEO title for the About Us page. Click on it, click on Generate AI Text. Review the suggestions and select the one you prefer. Do the same for the meta description. Once you are done, finally click on Save, and that's it. That's how easy it is to create SEO titles and meta descriptions using AI in OfficeIQ Studio.